dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance.
You guys, nadrop ko na pala ang kiddos. And magtupi lang tayo today because maulan. And mamaya pipick upin din natin maaga si ate kasi meron siyang GP appointment. Pero hindi naman ano yun, check-up. Ano lang yun. Kailangan niya kasi ng referral for another visit sa kanyang pediatrician. So, kailangan ko lang yun hingiin. And I can't do that by the phone kasi hindi niya na, ito, 1 year niya nang hindi nakikita si Harley. So, she needs to go to the clinic. So, yeah. Ayun. So, for 1:45. So, I'll probably pick her up 1:15, mga ganyan. Kasi malayo-layo yun. Anyway, dalawang basket or magtatatlo na kasi meron akong damit sa dryer. Na ang tupiin natin. And then Ben, I think he'll pick up Riker. Kasi outgoing na ako mamaya eh. And marami yata akong delivery coming today. So, yeah. Just stay in the house. Hopefully, that will come before I pick up Holly. And yeah. Yum! Kain tayo guys. Ito talaga yung trip ko lately. I don't know why. But I really love their chili flakes. Chili oil. Kain tayo. 11:55 na. Inunod na. Showtime. Tayo guys. Thank you Lord. Natapos na yung aking dryer. And may delivery ako. Mamaya i-haul ko sa inyo. Ayan you guys. May binili na naman ako. Ito pala in-order ko online sa Meijer. I think this one is the new wooden spoon. Bagong Kailangan kasi bagong spatulas. So, nakita ko ito naka-sale. Binili ko na kasi meron akong voucher nga. So, wala akong binayad dito. Voucher ko yun sa kakakaskas sa aking credit card. Meron akong naipon na points para mag-redeem ng gift card. So, ayan. So, I got, itong stainless steel na pillar. Bigat niya, in fairness. Ay, yung pillar lang pala, nakakaloka. Kala ko naman, both nilang isi-send. Ay, nako. But yeah, nag-order ako ng pillar and wooden spoon set yon. So I guess another delivery yon. That's funny. Nakakasaya nyo naman sa box. And sa JB Hi-Fi naman, nag-order ako ng ito, bottle washer, you guys. Nagdadalawang isip ako kung orderin ko siya, but I said, I think it's gonna be a lifesaver for me. So, may kamahalan din kasi siya. But anyway, gamit na gamit naman to. So, para siyang dishwasher, kumbaga, para sa mga bote ni baby. And, ano na siya, wash, sterilize, and dries. So, luckily, ordering ko sana siya sa Amazon. Pero nakita ko nakasale siya sa JB Hi-Fi dito. So, doon ko na lang siya in-order. Anyway, hindi ko muna ito i-unbox. Kapag malapit-lapit na, and kailangan ko nang i-wash yung mga bote ni baby. Ayan. Tapos na kami sa JP, guys. Dito kami sa Fish Factory. Bili ako ng pampano. Mag-stock na ako sa bahay. Ayan, bili tayong pampano. Hi. Ang happy niya today. Ang daming Pilipino dito nagtatrabaho, guys. Good morning! Look at all the delivery for baby. Hey? We'll unbox that later, guys. They're having breakfast now. So, si ate. Si ate nandiyan pa, relaxing pa siya. Morning.
It was said dun-dun-dun.
Ano yung dundurun?
It's getting like that, the storm that.
It's windy, very windy. There's no thunder.
But I just heard a thunder.
Did you?
Not in what way? I want the sound in the way. Not thunders. Thunder, I don't want the sound in the way.
Oh, you don't want thunder, no? It is scary, the thunder.
Yes.
So, may midwife appointment ako this morning. So, I'll drop Riker off school. And then we'll drop Halia.
Debbie.
Hi, guys. Let's go. I know the views. So, Ben drop Holly off school. I'm dropping Riker off because I'll go straight to my midwife appointment. Hala, hindi pala ako nakapag-charge ng camera. Let's go. I haven't had a coffee kasi we're out of sugar. So, baka mag-drive-thru na lang ako ng Mac's. Rainy morning, you guys. Kakatapos ko lang ng midwife appointment ko. And dito na tayo. Maulan. Maulan, malamig. Ang ganda ng mga autumn trees. Ayan. Tapos kanina na nag-park ako dito, hindi pa gumagana yung ticket machine nila. So, hindi ako nagbayad. So, hopefully we don't get a fine. Pero pinicturean ko naman yung machine nila na it's not working. Maganda naman dito is kapag nag-book ka ng appointment ng 10, ilang minutes lang naman yung waiting mo. Kasi yun talaga yung susundan nila. Hindi katulad sa atin na maghihintay ka, book-book ka pa. Kasi pagdating mo doon, wala, ganun pa din. Maghantay ka ng siyang-siyang. Anyway, I'm just gonna go to Riker's old school kasi gonna pick up his journal there. Kasi gusto kong i-keep yun. And then later, I'll pick up my nag-order ako ng kulang na grocery. So, madalas nag-ano na lang ako, pick up direct to the booth na kasi mas convenient. Ayoko na maglakad-lakad. Hindi pa ako nagkakape. So, go pick up Riker's journal and then get some coffee. Kasi yun pala yung binili ko kaya order ako ng grocery kasi I don't have sugar na or coffee. Ayan, na-pick up ko na pala yung journal ni Riker and dito ako sa Target. Bumili pa ako ng more clothes ni baby. Cutie. Kasi malalaban na ako mamaya. Kasi dumating na yung delivery ko nga ng sabon niya. Laundry soap niya. Sabi ko lang ayoko na maglakad-lakad. But I feel good today and then I'll just rest the rest of the day. Hindi ko pinipili yung mga ganito kasi madali niyan lakihan. Yan, no? Kaya gusto ko yung mga ganito. Ito mostly yung mga pinagkukuha ko ganito. Because, alam mo yun, meron pa rin siyang socks, built-in socks, and pwede niya pa rin masuot kahit maliit na. Yan. Ayan, nandito na ako guys. Pick upin natin yung ating grocery. You guys, 4:36 na pala and I'm prepping for dinner because baka gutom na isipin pagdating eh. So we're having salmon. The kids already had a shower.
Mommy,
At this was, ginawa niya ng trampoline talaga yung couch namin.
I want biscuit.
And waiting na lang sa roasted potato guys. So yan ang aming dinner. Guys, i-haul natin ito mga nasa likod ko. Ayan, di ba? Namating yan kahapon. Yeah, so I did some shopping today too, just to kill time. Hey?
Go to Kmart.
Go to Kmart. You want me to buy you a present? Why? What do you want to buy at Kmart? Anyway, look, didagdagan ko pa yung damit nga ni baby, so I got more because I have 8 na nga na overall ba yung tawag dito? But dagdagan ko pa yung 4 zeros and 0 to 3 months because it's winter. You don't know how many clothes you use in a day. But yeah, look how cute! Ang ganda ng mga damit ko sa Target. Rib to siya. Ang ganda ng kulay. No? Ang ganda ng kulay. This one is like fruits. Ayan. And gusto ko nga yung ganito kasi may ano na siya, socks and mittens na siya. And pwede niya pa rin masuot kahit malakihan niya na, alam mo yun. And then this one I think is 0 to 3 months. This one I like the color din. Royal naman siya. And then yung zip niya pa ganyan, no? Ang ganda. Double zip na rin siya. So, very good kapag mag-change ka ng nappy. And yeah, ang ganda ng print neto. So, well. Rib din to. And then I got individual ones. This one is like summer. Summer yung kanyang print. Very nice. And then this one is a sausage dog. Sausage dog ang print niya. So those two are 0 to 3 months, and then one more lot of this. I already got one, so 6 na yung ganito niya na white. Maganda lang siya pang inner. Yan, you're eating na. Ay, nako, right there. So yeah, kasi bumili na ako kasi gusto ko nang labhan yung mga damit niya and lahat na kailangan labhan. Snuggle Honey. So I think this is a blanket that I ordered from Meijer kasi nga meron nga akong again yung voucher nga na so wala akong binayaran dito. So wala pa ako nabili na blanket. So this one is a blanket. It's winter. So yeah, natural and organic din yung kaniyang cotton. So ang ganda ng kulay. No? So meron na siya. Isang blanket lang naman yung meron siya. Alam ko parang dami niyang blanket nun. So ayan, neat blanket. So kapag kung lalabas kami. Look, baby's blanket. And this one, I don't know. Halo-halo na to. Hindi ko alam kung from Meijer din to. Meijer din ba to? Yeah. Okay, so this one naman is from Living Textiles. Hooded towel. Kasi may nabili na ako sa kanya. Pero hindi yun, walang hood yun. So that one's cute koala. Look like her. This one, I think it's yung wooden spoon ko nga, diba? So this one I got from Meijer, babe. We didn't pay anything on that one. Blanket and his towel. Ito. From Gourmet Kitchen. Ilan ba ito siya? 4-piece. 4-piece set. Ganda. Tapos silicone ba ito? Yeah, silicone grip. Nice. Hindi yan gamit ni baby, pero yan, nasama ko lang yan. Nasingit ko yan dahil yan yung kailangan ko. Yung ano niya. Mirror. Sa car. Tada! Got this from Target. Mura lang siya. Last time kasi parang baby bunting pa namin binili yun. Pero tsaka lang siya. Pero ito parang mas maganda o mas okay yung ano niya, holder niya. Ayan. So, from baby bunting, I got another ergo pouch. 0 to 3 months. So, ayan yung kulay niya. Meron ako parang cream din. So, another cream. And yung temperature na ano ko is 15 to 21 degrees. So, 2.5. Kasi may lighter, may warmer. And then another one. So, tatlo na. Bali, tatlo na yung ganito niya. Same warm pouch. Kulay niya naman ganyan. Hindi ko alam ano bang print nito. I got myself some disposable underwear. Nag-maternity pads lang ako last time, but sabi ng friend ko, try ko to, mas easy. Much easier. So, yeah. Okay, try ko na lang. And then, ito yung binili ko na laundry detergent niya from Eco Store. So, in-order ko na lang din. Alam ko meron din dito sa Woolies. But, yeah, sinama ko na lang. And then, lotion niya dahil gaya nga yung kanyang bath wash. So, gaya na rin yung kanyang lotion. So, matagal-tagal ito magagamit. And then, dami. I got the Tommy TP yung 0 to 6 months and night glow. Ayan. So, dalawa lang yung dami na binili ko. Wala pa ako nabibili pa lang. Dummy holder or dummy clip. So, sunod na yun. And then, I got this car seat guard. Isa lang, pala dalawa na in-order ko kasi alam ko, ni-remove ko yung kay Harley. And, nagsisi ako, I removed Harley's car seat guard. Now, she's damaging our car. So, I bought one for baby. Yeah, so I'll probably order one more cover dun. Para hindi masira yung ba yung mismong upuan ng car. And then I got this Milton antibacterial wipes. Daling ko to sa baby bag. And then I got nappy cream. So, Sudo cream yung gamit ko before, but now I'll try this Bungie brand. And then the last one is hindi ko siya mabuhat, yung yan na lang yung natira guys. So, bumili pa ako ng isang box niyan. So, marami-rami na tayong water wipes. So, sa Target naman, bumili din ako ng 2 bagong laundry basket kasi nasira na yung laundry basket. A big one. And may nakita rin akong more swado kay baby. So, mas manipis to. I think it's ano ba yung lamig nito? Pero at least ito masusuot niya sa daytime. Or nighttime kapag it's a bit warm. Ayan yung itsura niya.
Mommy?
Manipis nga siya. Manipis talaga nito. Ang cute. So, sailing boats. And this one is Star. Cute. Double zip ba siya? Yeah, double zip to. Ako lang tong caddy. Ewan ko kung maganda ba siya. Oh, cute. Stroller caddy. So, pwede natin siyang i-hang sa ating stroller. Oh, cute nga siya. Kilted siya, guys. Cute lang. Kasi wala naman akong biniling nappy bag eh. So this one's cute. Oh, meron pa siyang insulated na pangbote dyan. Pasok sa stroller. And then ito yung capsule ni baby. So we got the Bartax B-Pod light na capsule. So yan, box ko na lang yan kapag nandito na yung connect adapter natin sa pram para matry natin siya kaagad. Ayoko muna yan i-open.